Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another Cooking It Up in the Kitchen with Donna video. Okay, now listen you guys, I made a video the other day. It's probably not out yet, but I made a video. Look out for it. And it's making my best darn chili ever. Okay, now this is some leftovers of my chili, but today I'm going to recreate another meal that you can make with some leftovers. Instead of eating the same old plain, same old. Okay, you could switch it up, mix it up, and make it very fun and healthy. Alright, so today I'm going to be making again my stuffed bell peppers. Alright, and this is going to be delicious. Alright, so I'm going to prep it for dinner, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do to recreate this wonderful, delicious meal. Now to start off, I just want to show you some of my little mini ingredients here. We got our leftover chili. We also have a bowl of brown rice that I made today. I'm also going to be using some mozzarella. And I'm making 4 hearty size bell peppers. Now, you'd be surprised how filling this is going to be. So we're also going to be using our oven. Now what I'm going to do is, now this is a freshly washed bell pepper, and to start off I just want to gut out the inside. So that's what I'm doing. In other words, devein it. Guess that's what it's called. And you're just going to take out all of the insides of your bell peppers. Like so. And I'm just going to rinse that out. So all we're doing is just removing the inside of your bell pepper. Okay. And also the seeds. So your bell pepper should be hollow like this, okay? So I'm going to finish doing the rest of them and I'll come right back to show you what's next. So we are back and I'm finished with degutting or deveining my bell peppers. So now to prepare it, this is how you're going to do it. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to make like a little mishmash inside. Now I'm going to stuff my bell peppers. And I'm going to stuff it with my rice first. Okay. Alright, so after I put my rice in there, you know, put enough in there, then I like to also put my chili in there. Just like so. And then to top it off, well, let's see, hopefully that's enough sauce. So I want it to come all the way up to the top, like so. And then I like to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on the top part. Like so. This is a delicious, healthy meal. And you put in as much rice as you want, as much chili as you want. And just top it off with a little bit of cheese. The only thing next is to find a pan where you can actually have these standing up. Now it's time to place it in our oven, and what we're going to do is bake it at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. Enjoy your wonderful, delicious meal, and bon appetit. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.